ebesondela ukuze sikwazi ukushesha. Sethula ke bakwethu undunankulu walapha kwaZulu Natal esimaziyo engumeya waseNkandla, engumeya walapha eKing Cetshwayo, ongundunankulu walapha ubaba uThami Ntuli. Baba Mphemba, masibekele kuwe.
Ngiyathokoza kakhulu ko-program director u-Deputy Minister uZikalala no Dinangwe uDokotela, His Excellency the President of the Republic uMama uMabuthelezi nomndeni wonke wakaMthethwa nakaButhelezi, members of the national, provincial and local spheres of government, members of the diplomatic corps, ukhosi bakaMthethwa nobakaButhelezi, and all traditional leaders present, leaders of society, ubuholi bukaKhongolose, fellow mourners. Today, we gather not only to mourn, but to celebrate a life that is embodied on service delivery and devotion to our country. The former minister and the ambassador, Emmanuel Nkosinathi Mthethwa, was more than a public servant. He was a patriot, a bridge builder, and a man deeply committed to the ideals of justice, peace, and progress. He joins a long and distinguished list of sons and daughters of KwaZulu-Natal who have contributed immensely to our liberation struggle and to the advancement of our democratic projects. His journey from humble beginnings to serving our nation on the global stage is a story of dedication, discipline, and patriotic service. His untimely passing comes at a difficult moment when our country and the world are navigating complex geopolitical shifts and economic uncertainties. It is in times such as these that we need seasoned leaders and diplomats, men and women of his caliber, who understand that diplomacy is not only about statecraft, but also about building bridges of trust, cooperation, and opportunity. Unyambo's legacy reminds us that the work of representing South Africa abroad is deeply connected to the task of building prosperity and peace at home. His departure leaves a void in our national family and provincial family, but it also challenges us to nurture and empower a new generation of South Africans who will carry forward his vision of a more united, respected, and economically vibrant nation. Njengomphakathi waKwaZulu Natal, lapho inkaba yakhe ikhona, sizizwa sithobekile futhi sithobeka inxeba manxa kulokhu kulahlekelwa nisembathile njengesizwe kusuka kumengameli wezwe, kumanxusa nabaholi abavela ezinhlakeni ezahlukene zomphakathi. Sithi lokhu enikwenza emndenini wakaMthethwa nakithi uqobo nikwenze nakwabanye. Unyambose, as you embark on your next journey, we make a solemn pledge that we will continue to advance your vision of a united South Africa, a united Africa, and a united global South, working together for peace, development, and shared prosperity. You leave us at a moment of profound renewal, a time when our people, through the power of their votes, have spoken with great clarity. They have called upon all political parties, large and small, including your own movement, the African National Congress, to work together under the banner of unity government, both nationally and provincially, which we will be advancing it to local government. Indeed, our citizens from all races, backgrounds, and walk of lives have called for unity of purpose. They've reminded us that our collective strength lies not in what divides us, but in what we can achieve together when we are actually guided by the spirit of service and shared destiny. As we bid farewell to you, Nyambose, we do so with a renewed commitment to build the South Africa and the province of KwaZulu-Natal you envisioned. One anchored on dignity, economic inclusion, ethical and servant leadership, and opportunity for all. Your legacy will live on in the daily work of unity, or rather uniting our people and move our province and national forward. To you, son of the soil, Sizwa Yakithi, a promise we wish to make on behalf of all of us entrusted with the leadership in the province of KwaZulu-Natal and your beloved home, province of KwaZulu-Natal, is that our province shall never again return to conflicts. We draw strength from your legacy as we commit ourselves to building a KwaZulu-Natal defined by peace, unity, and shared prosperity. From Kwesakamthethwa to Kokstad, from Newcastle to Jozini, and from Edumbe to Msinga, nakulo lonke elendlovukazi kaMthaniya, we shall continue to inspire new hope among our people, ensuring that development reaches every community and that our economic and social progress reflect the true spirit of reconciliation and nation building. I hope the message we are living, in particular between the IFP and the ANC in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, which was also in fact championed by the late Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi, for closing the chapter of the past wounds, reconciliation will be now reactivated so that we'll close the chapter of the past wounds. Nyambose, when our Makawe, may your soul rest in peace, knowing that your vision continues to inspire a generation determined to carry the torch of unity, development, and hope. With those words, I wish to not welcome His Excellency the President in his country, but to welcome him to KwaZulu-Natal and the national leadership, international leadership, the leaders from different political formations. Ngimukele zonke izakhamizi zaKwaZulu-Natal, ngiyathokoza.
Siyabonga kakhulu kundunankulu Mphemba. Siyabonga. Indeed,